Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Amber, and in today's video we are going to be doing a straightening video. So you guys are probably like, sis, let me take this out, I'm not listening to nothing. Why are we straightening our hair? It's about to be summer, not summer, it's spring, the temperature has risen. I mean, I live in the state of Georgia and it's going to be 84 degrees today, but we are also in the middle of a pandemic, and your girl is not going to waste time doing a wash and go if all I'm going to be doing is sitting around the house and not doing absolutely anything. So I figured the best plan of action was I did twist out last week. So for the next week and week and 3 days, because 31st is on Wednesday, and then we have spring break. So I guess for the next 2 weeks and 3 days, I am going to be doing absolutely nothing to my hair. So the best way for me to deal with it, since no one's gonna be seeing it and then I'm not gonna waste time to get my curls popping, is to straighten it. Plus I need a trim, so I always trim my hair when it's in its straightened state, because my trim is very basic. I just trim it at the bottoms around, and then I get my sister to go throughout, part it, section it, pull it up angles, and my shape is the same once it reverts back to its curly state. Eventually I do want to get my hair cut into a shape while it's curly, so I have like this big, round, voluminous hair. But until then, your girl is going to continue to do what she's doing because she's broke. Anyways, moving on. So I'm going to be straightening my hair today, and I'm going to show you guys the process that I go. Sorry, I got to eat now. Show you guys the process that I go through to straighten my hair. Okay, so your girl has rinsed out her conditioner. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to spray on a light leave-in. It's in this bottle because I was using this, but I don't have any more of this because I smelled it and it's not the same product inside. I think I added like another leave-in with some water to kind of like thin it out. So I'm going to spray this on my hair for a little bit of, ooh, not in my eye, Jesus. Calm down. I think this is the Poppin' Pineapples leave-in. I had a little bit left of it, because it is super moisturizing. And I'm just going to spray this all throughout my hair. Okay. Done. So now I'm going to part my hair. And I don't know why I'm using this comb, because these sections do not have to be, like, legit. But since I'm using it, I might as well finish using it. Right. Oh, is that fluff? Jesus, fluff. Okay, so my thought, to cut down on the blow drying time. Now, it's going to take more time to do my thought or my idea, but we're self-distancing. We don't have nothing but time. Unless you're at work, then I can't help you, sis. I need a clip. So my thoughts. My thought is, put some more product on these ends, honey. That's why I need to trim. My ends are just raggedy. Detangle this section. Okay, section detangled. And then my thought is to bantu knot my hairs so I get that stretch. Then get that stretch at the root. And I don't have to worry about it coming, like I can actually leave these bantu knots in for 24 hours to like dry, and not really worried about doing all that extra like 2 strand twists in. I mean, I don't know what people do to stretch their hair, but this is my theory for today. Okay, so your girl is done. Bantu knots in. Finna go sit up under the hooded dryer. I did spray some of this protecting silk blowout spray by OGX on my hair, kind of like all over, on some Bantu knots and some roots. It's supposed to help dry your hair quicker when you're blow drying, but I'm gonna be able to sit up on a hooded dryer, so hopefully this will kind of help with the blow drying time, or the drying time. Okay, so I sat up under the dryer for a little while, and I'm back, and I'm ready to reveal the results. Now, my hair is not 100% dry because I did these suckers a little too tight, and my head is starting to hurt, and I cannot take any hairstyles where my hair is pulled tight. Like, tension on my head is not where it's at. But for the most part, the ones up here, the roots got dry. That's what I was mainly looking for, was to stretch at the roots. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start unraveling these bad boys. And then, like, my hooded dryer is raggedy. So the ones in the back really didn't get dry. Like, hardly at all. So, blow dry time. Okay, so I'm back. My hair is blown out. And let's just say my theory was a bust, because I could not sit up under the dryer long enough to get my hair completely dry. But it did get my roots a whole lot flatter. I will say that. So I'm going to give it a 5 out of 10 for theory, but I'm pretty sure if I was able to stay up under the dryer the entire time, or let my Bantu knot dry out the entire time, it probably would have worked a little bit better. But I'm going to give it a 5 out of 10. It is, like I said, protecting silk blowout, quick thermal drying spray. So it's supposed to protect hair up to 450 degrees. And I have my flat iron set on 410. I use a hard bristle brush to chase with. So I put it in the thing and I pull away a little bit. I go 1, 2, 3, and then I follow it down and I chase it. That's it. That's it. That's all I do. Also, I put about a pea-sized amount of this Aussie Miracle Moist Intense Hydrating Oil on both sections once it was fully blow dried, mainly concentrating on the ends and kind of like rubbing it throughout. That's all I did, because I tend to do more than necessary, and I'm pretty sure that's why my blowouts don't last. So that section is done. But do you guys see how, like, it's not silked? It's just, it's straight, it's flat, but it's kind of like, I want it to be like silk, like that. Like, I don't go through this whole freaking process of stretching my hair out, blowing my hair out, and then flat iron it for it still to be puffy. But you see how puffy that is? Like, I don't know how to get it silkier. I mean, it's on 410 for crying out loud. Like, what do I have to put it on? 1 million?
Okay, can we see how it's already like it's already grown. It's already grown.
All right. I'm back. So this is what it's, I mean, this has kink in because I clipped up. But this is what it's looking like. Flat iron, 410, chase method, with a brush. And we see how puffy it is? Like, house way, last way. Anyways, so I'm gonna do that like silk method where you take your hair and you wrap it. Put a saran wrap. I don't have saran wrap, so I'm going to do a shower cap. I saw not shower cap. Get your life. Plastic cap. I'm going to do a plastic cap on my head for 10 minutes, I think. 10 minutes. And you're supposed to like let the oils marinate and yeah, you know. So, I'm going to take this again. About that much for the whole head. Okay. I'm going to do this side. And I'm going to rub some through this side. Okay. I'm going to rub it through. 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 Okay. Take these out. I'm not listening to nothing again. I was listening to something. Okay. Rub it through, rub it through, rub it through. I'm going to take this brush. Brush it through. Make sure everything is evenly distributed. Okay, okay, okay. Don't know what to do now that I have some swinging stuff. Okay, anyways, get your life. I'm going to, this is how I wrap my hair. I brush the hair forward so I look like the girl from the ring / cousin Ed, whomever. And then I start to brush and wrap. Dang it, I should have had that plastic cap with me. Okay, and then once I have it like this, then I kind of go back over with that same bristle brush. Okay, okay. We see what's happening. And you got yourself a wrap. Okay, let me go get my plastic bag. I'll be right back. Right back, friends. Okay, so now I'm going to place this on my head. I'm going to kind of tighten it like so. Okay, okay. It's tight on there. It's tight on there. And I'm going to go sit up under the hood dryer for what, like 10 minutes, 7 minutes. And we're going to see if we can make it do what it do. And hopefully it do something. Because if it don't, I'm not going to do nothing if it don't. I'll be fine. Okay, I'm back. So, set up under the dryer for 10 minutes, and we're about to do the grand reveal to see what's popping in this plastic bag. I kind of let it cool for a couple seconds. Okay, this is looking promising. It's looking flat. Let's brush it out and see if it's still looking puffier. I'm 99% sure it's going to be puffy. %, sure. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Okay, not bad. Not bad. I would say this is probably the flattest it has been. Usually it's like Shaka Khan. Shaka Khan. All right. So, not mad at it. Not mad at it at all. Okay. So I'm going to put it behind my back. Do shake, shake, shimmy, shimmy. But, I mean, not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, let me stop. Give me life. Give me life. Okay, so yeah. This video started off as a fail. And it finished as a me. So yeah, this is how I end up flat ironing my hair for today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like this video, thumbs up, share it with a friend, do what you gotta do. Let people know that your girl is out here trying to make it. All right. See you guys next video. Bye.